If you enjoyed this story, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ariana had begun a new life in the royal castle, but deep inside her heart, she still missed the endless blue sea. Life as a princess wasn't always easy. The beautiful royal dresses were heavy, and walking in elegant shoes took lots of practice. Luckily, Alexander was always there to help, encourage her, and make her smile. Some little habits from life beneath the waves were much harder to forget. That evening, a tiny visitor arrived with important news from the ocean.
The ocean is calling us!
This time, even the cheerful little crab looked truly worried.
It is sinking.
What is happening out there, little one? Silently fring you find vorim.
The message spoke of a terrible problem. The magical pearl that protected both the sea and the land had disappeared. Without the pearl, powerful storms would soon threaten both kingdoms. There wasn't a moment to lose. Ariana hurried to find Alexander. Alexander remembered an ancient secret passage hidden beneath the castle.
You think you where we're home?
Hidden from everyone, the three friends quietly descended into the forgotten tunnels beneath the castle. At the end of the passage stood an enormous gate that had remained closed for centuries. Only someone connected to the sea could awaken its ancient magic. Beyond the gate, an incredible hidden world stretched before their eyes. A cheerful little friend was already waiting for them, but something else was moving beneath the glowing water. Two mysterious creatures had been following them all along. Working together, the friends bravely protected one another. The danger disappeared into the darkness, but not before stealing their only map. Now they would have to trust courage instead of directions. Following their little guide, they continued deeper into the hidden lagoon.
What?
Soon they entered a glowing coral maze, unlike anything they had ever seen. Without warning, the boat became trapped between the giant corals. The water slowly began filling the boat while trouble returned once again. Ariana closed her eyes and trusted the magic that had always lived inside her.
Guide our way through the deep.
Her beautiful melody awakened the ancient magic of the sea itself. Even the glowing jellyfish answered the magical song. At last, the lost magical pearl appeared before them. It was almost within reach. But not quite. Working together, even the smallest friends accomplished something truly magical. As soon as the pearl was restored, peace returned to the sea.
I caulk you. So pay. I would air you. Same host any cube.
From the glowing depths, the ancient guardian of the ocean appeared. With great joy, Ariana returned the magical pearl where it belonged. The guardian looked at Alexander with deep respect, knowing he would always protect her. As a special gift, he filled Ariana's necklace with ancient ocean magic. From that day on, she could once again become part of the sea whenever she wished. With one final smile, the guardian returned to the peaceful depths below. Hand in hand, Ariana and Alexander made their way back home. Now she no longer had to choose between two worlds. She finally belonged to both. And so, with love, courage, and friendship, two worlds remained forever connected. The end.